doing well. My oh my, how quickly the time flies. You know, today is the last day for the early bird offer for upcoming Unacademy's USMLE Step 1 program. These are the reasons why I think you should subscribe. Number one, the best educators in the world, hands down. The team that you see below, this is just the beginning. We are having more world-class educators coming on board. And any other entity that wishes to claim otherwise has no clue what they're talking about. Next, the videos that you'll have access to, the 800 plus hours of videos. These are not strictly review videos. It would be a disservice to just do a review in which we would assume that you have all of the foundations and the connections that is required to understand and digest the clinical material. So therefore, the product will have a review component seamlessly integrated with a proper foundational component. Not to the point where it is excessive, not to the point where the medical content would not be relevant to your stage of medical education. It would be just right. Once we lay down that foundation, what do you think will be the next logical step? How about the application of that material? And that, of course, would come in the form of a solid, integrated, clinical vignette question bank. I am responsible for creating that question bank. However, in good faith, I have to make sure that my questions are properly vetted, that they're filtered, that it is accurate, and it's not missing anything, and it doesn't have any mistakes, and the answer choices are going to be relevant to the stem of the clinical presentation. In order for that to happen, the team below and those that are coming on board will take a look at my questions. They will dissect my questions. They will make sure that along with the pathology, the pharmacology, the physiology, the anatomy, the micro, the immuno, the ingredients of creating a fantastic question bank of 3,000 plus questions are being synthesized. That is going to happen. These are the reasons, and many, many more, that I think personally that you should subscribe so that you can benefit from the best darn medical product that is going to be out there, not just for step 1, but also for step 2 CK and step 3, and literally any medical board that you're going to encounter. I guarantee.
Unacademy. Let's crack it.